Yard sanitation tools are the simplest DIY pest control products for reducing habitat for ticks and rodents. Focus on tools that move and convert organic debris into less hospitable material. Start with a sturdy leaf rake and use short, overlapping strokes to collect leaves into wind-resistant piles. Choose a metal-tined rake for heavy thatch and a plastic fan rake for seasonal leaves to reduce user fatigue. A mulching mower can shred leaves into fragments that accelerate decomposition and deny ticks dry leaf litter that they prefer. Mow at a slightly higher deck height to prevent scalping while running a slower pace so clippings are finely cut. Leaf vacuums and collection systems work well on flat lawns and under shrubs. Set the intake height low enough to capture curled leaves, but not so low that you pull up soil or plant debris. Use a chipper or heavy-duty shredder for branches and dense brush, so wood becomes chips that dry quickly and are less attractive as rodent nesting material. Feed limbs in butt end first and wear eye protection and gloves. Stack firewood at least 10 feet away from structures and elevate it on pallets or concrete blocks to reduce rodent access points and moisture buildup. Remove brush piles and clutter, replace with a cleared gravel or mulched border along foundation lines, and maintain a regular schedule each month in fall and spring so habitat does not re-establish. Common mistakes are leaving leaf piles near foundation where ticks and mice move from cover into wall voids, so always move collected debris to a distant compost area or chip it on site and store chips away from buildings. Another issue is overuse of blowers that scatter leaves into neighboring properties or fence lines where rodents nest, so direct debris into contained bags or piles and follow local noise ordinances. A third frequent error is feeding a chipper or shredder with wet, large branches that clog the machine and create damp piles, so dry branches if possible and cut limbs into shorter lengths before chipping to ensure free flow. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance on yard sanitation and DIY pest control tools. We also support contractors looking for work and maintain a discussion community where users and pros share tips, tool reviews, and step-by-step experiences.